In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within a specific section. This is perfect when you know the content you need lives in one area and you don't want to sift through your entire workspace. By narrowing your search to a single section, you'll find exactly what you're looking for faster and with far less noise. First, navigate to the section you want to search. Look for the Section tab and click it to bring that content into focus. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the section title and scanning a couple of pages or items inside it. If you keep multiple sections with similar names, this double check helps you avoid searching the wrong spot. Next, open the search tool. You can do this by clicking the magnifying glass icon, typically located at the top right or left of your screen. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+Option+F on a Mac. This jumps your cursor straight into the search box so you're ready to type. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the app window is active by clicking anywhere inside it first. Now adjust the search scope so you're only looking within this section. Click the small arrow next to the search box, or use the drop-down that appears beneath it and select this section. This step is crucial. Without it, you might accidentally search across all sections or the entire workspace, which can flood you with results. Setting the scope to this section keeps your results tight and relevant to what's open on your screen. Finally, enter your keyword. Start with a clear, specific term that you're confident appears somewhere in this section. As you type, you'll typically see matches begin to highlight or a results list appear. If your first attempt brings up too much, try adding a second word to narrow it down. If you get no hits, try a simpler version. Use a different form of the word, or remove punctuation. Quotation marks can help if you're looking for an exact phrase, and most search boxes aren't case sensitive, so don't worry about capitalization. Once you see the right result, click it to jump directly to the matching content. That's it. Open your section, launch search, set the scope to this section, and enter your keyword. With this workflow, you'll save time and stay focused on the content that matters most. Thanks for watching and happy searching.